Okay, so today we are going to, it's a little cold, but we are going to try to paint the trailer deck. Hopefully that goes okay. I did try that linseed oil and paint thinner trick for plastics that we saw on YouTube, and it really dulled the back of Ed's quad right here, and not so bad over here. There were some stickers there, so I think that maybe that was part of the problem, but I have stopped doing it because I just don't really think it was doing anything spectacular. Oh, it's mud. Yep, it's mud.
Wow.
So we're using, flip that can around, Advanced Deck Over by Behr. Got it at Home Depot, so let's see how that's going to look.
I'm wondering if I mean, this deck is what, 8 by 13? I'm wondering if a gallon is going to be enough.
Oh, okay.
I mean, this stuff is as thick as mortar.
Well, I'm sure you only...
Mortified by how thick it is.
Mortified. Ha 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 ha.
I should bring that up here.
And now, let's cue the bad jokes.
Oh, okay, it doesn't spread.
Okay, so we bought a cleaner, and our intentions were to clean it first, but, you know, because we cut corners, because that's who we are.
Well, it's also not a display deck. I mean, this is an ATV deck, you know?
Yeah, so...
You know, if it's not... If the color isn't perfectly even, who cares? You know, I'm sure our Maxxis Zilla tires aren't going to care.
Okay, so I'm not going to say that I care, but I do care.
You're so girly.
So girly. He married me because I was girly.
No,
and now all of a sudden, it's because I'm too girly. Ew. Okay, so I am not going to bore you guys with...
I'll show you kind of a before and after.
Yeah, with the whole painting, but we'll be back with the after. Hopefully, it's going to look good. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, Ed decided that I was going to paint because I like painting. We are almost done with the paint that we have, and we still have all of this left to do. So we sent our daughter Mackenzie back to Home Depot for more paint. You know, there's places over here where it's really sucking up the paint. So I think that we're going to end up with almost 2 coats in some places. The guy that we bought the trailer from said that he had recently replaced the wood, and I'm kind of screaming BS on that because the wood seems like it's much older than recently replaced, but maybe recently means 3 years ago. I don't know. But I think that once we're done, it's going to look really good. So we're almost done with what paint that we have, and now we get to wait for Mackenzie to come back with the other can, and we'll be back with another update. See you in a bit.
The deck is complete. Lisa's just doing the final touches on it, and I'm very happy on how it turned out. This textured deck cover went on really nicely, though it went on really thick. We ended up using approximately 1.5 gallons of the product to do this 8 by 13 space. The stuff is $32 a gallon, so we spent about $64, not including the cost of the roller, to put this on. But I think the results will be well worth the money. It will protect the wood that's underneath, and with the textured surface that it has produced, it'll keep us safe when we're up on the deck, when the deck is wet or muddy. The finished color is a charcoal texture color, and it is really nice. It looks really good, and it is going to add years to the life of this deck. And with Lisa's eye for detail, she made sure that every crack and seam was filled. I'm very happy how this turned out. Got our toolbox sitting in place. We haven't bolted it down yet. I basically just got it centered. And so we're going to drill in it 6 holes, bolt it down so it stays secure, and then we're going to run a bolt through it to carry the spare. So these are our projects for the day. We'll give you an update as we go along. Get underneath, and then I'll have you on top.
Well, Ed is busy putting the holes in the work box so we can put our stuff in here. Looking good so far.